Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to delete survivor.io account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the survivor.io application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete survivor.io account. So if you want to permanently delete your survivor.io account, you'll need to submit a request to Happy. So there isn't a button inside the game that immediately deletes your account. So how you can actually go to the company and of course ask them to delete it? Well, go to the top left corner and click on these three lines here, where we'll have the settings, mail, and announcements. For this, you need to go and click on settings. Now, when you click on settings, in the bottom we have the general and account. You need to click on the bottom right corner and click on account. There, as you can see, we'll have the feedback button. You need to go and click on the feedback button. And here we'll have the select issue. So save issues, purchase issues, network issues, you don't have any of these three. You just need to go and click on contact us. And here in the contact us, put in your email and put in that you want to delete your account. So just, of course, go and type the message that you want their account to be deleted, and then put in your email, click submit, and then they will do the rest. So it is that easy, and that's how you can actually go and do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.